Malom Bazaar area in Imphal West reported 32 cases of coronavirus in the past 24 hours, prompting the residents to demand immediate contact tracing in the area. Malom Tuliyaima Youth Welfare Club president said that the Manipur government needs to carry out immediate contact tracing before the situation in Malom area goes out of control. Nambol MLA Namirakpam LOKEN took his first dose of COVID-19 jab at Primary Health Center Lamapokpam today. As the country continued to grapple with the second wave of the COVID-19, the center has taken up a mass vaccination drive to contain the virus. MLA LOKEN appealed to all to maintain the government-led COVID-19 SOP guidelines. Imphal East police personnel continued drive against COVID-19 protocol violators today at different places of the district. The police detained and fined several people at Lamlong, Konung Mamang, Kurai Ayangpali and Kongba for violating COVID SOP. General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Indian Army's Eastern Command, Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan, took stock of the operational preparedness as well as counter-insurgency operations in Assam, Nagaland and Manipur. According to media report, Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan is on a 3-day visit to the states of Assam, Nagaland and Manipur. He also visited units and formations of Spear Corps and Assam Rifles in Nagaland and Manipur. Nambol MLA and LOKEN today inaugurated Lamapokpam Market Shed built under 14th Finance Commission Lamapokpam Gram Panchayat. Lamapokpam Zilla Parishad member Lamapokpam Jitend, Lamapokpam Gram Panchayat Pradhan Tiam Ongbir Prashod, Block Development Officer Nambol Chandam Bobo and Lamapokpam Bazaar Development Committee Chairman Oinam Sanajao were present during the program. Dr. N. Duijamani, who intends to contest the upcoming election 2022 from Uripok constituency, has joined Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). The Saffron Party felicitated him today at BJP office in Kaishampad. Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan, BJP Manipur Pradesh President in charge, Dr. U. Diban, Ketrigao MLA and Indrajit, former BJP Manipur Pradesh President M. Borod, BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Nimbus Nongthombam, and senior party member N. Yumjao and other party members were present at the event. A fierce encounter broke out between the police and the ULFAI rebels in Assam. Top ULFAI leader and the outfit's commander for Western Command, Dwipen Saud, is suspected to be killed in the encounter. A media report said Dwipen Saud had recently replaced former ULFAI Deputy Commander-in-Chief Drishti Rajkowa as the commander of the outfit's Western Command. ULFAI Commander, Western Command, recently appointed to replace Drishti Rajkowa, self-styled Colonel Dwipen Saud appears dead with bullet injury. He's being taken to the hospital now, informed Assam DGP Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta. India has today reported record rise in coronavirus cases and deaths over the last 24 hours, with its overall caseload rising above 18 million. Media reports said with 379,257 new cases and 3,645 new deaths in the past 24 hours, India's total number of cases and deaths are now at 18.38 million and 204,832 respectively, according to Health Ministry data. It was the 8th day in a row with total cases topped 3,150,86,878 individuals infected with coronavirus have been recovered so far. Unidentified attackers launched assaults on 2 Myanmar air bases today, with blasts reported at one base and rocket fire seen at another, media and a witness said. Media reports say the attacks come after 3 months of turmoil in Myanmar triggered by a February 1 military coup. There was no claim of responsibility or any confirmation of any casualties in the attacks. In the first attack today, 3 blasts went off at an airbase near the central town of Makwe in the early hours, the Delta News Agency reported in a post on Facebook. Later, 5 rockets were fired at one of the country's main air bases at Meiktila to the northeast of Makwe, reporter Than Win Hlang, who was near the base at that time, said in the post.